Okay, today I am fitting up this tow bar to my VE SS Commodore. Come along for the ride. So one of the things I need to do first, I need to get this out of the way. Got a handy little clip. The bolts that we're going to put in are actually up under here where you can't see. Can't actually see where they are at the moment, but I'll show you when I get to that. Most of it comes off fairly easy. Screws. One. And then, if you see down here, a little clip. You can see it in the camera, but there's a clip there. And one there. And then the front of it's just held in by this little rubber strip. Weird. Be careful, these panels are really easy to break. Now, you can see that's where it slips in. Those clips just push into there and hold it down. Now, one of the things we're going to have to do, we've just got to lift this pinch weld rubber up a bit. They're a bit tight, but it's for a reason, so it doesn't just pull off. Go. Once you get started, it's pretty easy. And I don't need to take it miles and miles off. I'm just going to have it up there. So, what I'm trying to expose here, these bolts right there. Because I can see that one, not the one underneath it. With this little carpet on the side here, there is another clip just there. Done. This is when I decided to switch from the chest camera to a stand camera because the chest camera wasn't working real well. Here I am taking out the plastic clips holding the mud flaps and the edge of the rear bumper. At this point my knee started to hurt, so I decided to grab the little soft mat that I ordered off Temu. So all that keeps the bumper bar on the side of the car on these is just some plastic clips. You can see me pulling them off here, going around about the side, and just pop them off the plastic clips as well. Underneath the car here, there's 4 plastic clips as well that just hold the base of the bumper bar to the underneath of the car. Whoops, dropped it on my head. Like it doesn't weigh much and there's not much in my head to begin with, so it was all good. So I actually forgot that this bump bar has reversing sensors in it, and I'm trying to find the clip to undo it to disconnect the bump bar from the car. Oh, found it. It's on the inside. Oh, I'm sure that's good for it. Drag the bump bar on the cement, Jared. There we go. Put it on some wood stands so it doesn't hit the ground. Oh, yep, that's it. Pull your pants up again. Good work, Jared. Now I'm just undoing those two bolts on each side that I showed you earlier with my rattle gun. What's the bet I lose those bolts? This aluminium Rio just pulls out, it doesn't weigh much, and is not real tight. So one thing to note with the Rio is I'm actually removing it and not putting it back on. The tow bar itself is a lot solider than that aluminium Rio, so you don't really need the Rio anymore. It actually will still protect the car in the case of an accident. Being as solid as it is, it'll probably protect the car more than what a light aluminium Rio would. This thing was heavy and it was hard to get in.
That's what she said. Michael.
This bar has a tight fit, so a little bit of persuasion with the sledgehammer, just a small one, helped get it in the full way. Alright, I know some of you are waiting for a that's what he said joke again. I'm not going to do it again. I promise. Maybe. Sweet, just doing up the two bolts on each side again now with the rattle gun, and that's his nice and solid. This is me now contemplating how I'm going to get the little plastic bit out that's in the way of the tow bar here. I'm sure if I keep staring at it, an answer's going to come to. Maybe. Possibly. Who knows? You can almost hear the gears turning in my brain. When in doubt, power tools are out. I've really got to learn to move the camera around for better angles. You just can't see anything right now. I'm really sorry about that. Here we go, just a bit of a test fit here, the bump bar to see if it all lines up where I've cut it. And no bueno, she does not line up. I need to cut more out. Let's try that again, shall we? Much better. Look at that. Now I'm just going to give it a little hit to tap the middle clips on. Okay, I'm not a professional at this in any way, shape or form. This is a what I'm doing channel, not a how-to channel, but if it helps you, then so be it. But anyway, we're just doing the wiring for the tail lights here now for my towbar. Okay. This tool I'm using here to strip the wires is brilliant. If you're after one, leave a comment and I'll give you a link to where you can get one from. Here I'm just finding circuits. I stuffed up the recording a bit here. I promise it gets better in a second. I will edit it properly. Alright guys, so you remember me saying that I wasn't the best at this video recording and I'm still learning. Turns out at the end of that video I had it recording in the wrong orientation and the footage at the very end was completely useless. I apologize for that. I do promise to get a lot better at this recording. I think you get the majority of it anyway in that video. If you have any questions or there's something I did in there that you just want to ask why or how or what, or you just want to have a yarn, jump in the comments, send me a message. I try to read them all. I will get back to you, I promise. The other thing I suppose is obviously if you're enjoying the content, comment, tell me what you want to see more of, what you want to see less of. That's the only way I can learn and grow for you guys. And yeah, like, subscribe, share, tick the bell, click the thumbs up, all the different things you got to do. Tell your friends about it. And yeah, hopefully we can grow together. Yeah, that's all for me for today. Like I said, I promise not to make every episode mentally draining or mental health related. Just a few random ones here and there. Yeah, and we'll continue. Next time you guys see, this will drop, I think it's Monday for you guys. The next series on the trailer, I'm hoping to have out by Wednesday, Australian time. So yeah, keep an eye out for that for the next episode in the trailer series to see how it's going. And yeah, I'll talk to you all soon. Yeah,